G'day YouTube, welcome to another Aussie Blue Staffy video. Watches back up, rests out the front, adds a bit of play, a little echo joins along too. Watch him enjoy the day. Echo loves the water bowl. Everything about water he seems to like. He's got to keep a good paw on that one. Echo must think we're in a drought. He doesn't want to waste one drop of water. Echo must love these raindrops on his head. He just keeps on getting them. Back up likes having a good old scratch. Make sure you like, subscribe, tap the notification button, and we'll see you next time.